Fala pessoal, estamos aqui finalizando a nossa jornada na África do Sul, aqui em Joanesburgo. Estamos aqui com o nosso videomaker, o Adrian, tá ali de pós-venda, sempre na luta, diretor comercial Thiago e também o Alexandre, pré-venda. Então, a gente também quer agradecer o Thiago, gerente aqui, Country Manager aqui da África do Sul. E eu queria que o Thiago, como diretor comercial com Country Manager, entendesse um pouco, Thiago, pegasse a opinião dele de como foi essa visita e você também, agradecer ele pra gente, entender como que está o mercado brasileiro, que dicas ele dá pra gente no mercado brasileiro para que a gente desenvolva tão bem o sistema de armazenamento igual eles fazem aqui.
So Jaco, first of all, we'd like to say thank you for the reception, for the experience and all knowledge that you gave to us. It was very important to us. We have a huge market in Brazil to start the storage solutions, and you and your team here in South Africa has these installations, show to us this was very important. I have a question for you. What advice do you give to us try to improve, to increase our market? What the advice for the installers with your experience do you give to us?
Good. Well, thank you, and it's been our pleasure to host you. It's always good to see exactly what's happening on site, understanding how the systems get put together. From a data sheet, you can't always plan the site, you can't always plan all the problems. One thing that I think that really stands out for us was understanding every site is different. That's important. That's the first thing, is understanding what the load conditions are, what kind of loads to expect. As we mentioned, we would always recommend the installers will have to do some measurement, understand exactly what the peaks are. Then it's easy to plan a system and to say, okay, this is what we suggest, and then build it into different phases. I think with CNI specifically, it is very difficult to say that any system can work in any scenario. So the easiest in many cases is to start with something. Start smaller and grow the system to eventually become fully utilized and to cover all the demands. That way is easy because during the time of installation, you will have the opportunity to better understand the site. You will have all the data, you will have all the load data, but you will also have a relationship with the end user to say, okay, well, maybe we can change this schedule, we can adapt this kind of operation, and then you need a smaller system. In the past, it's always been, or a lot of people wanted to chase the project, install something, run away. That doesn't work. It doesn't work with CNI because it is a long sales process. So starting early, starting with something and growing it is definitely the safest route. There is some market education that's required to do something like that. So it comes from Goodwe, it comes from you guys to push it onto the installers, to have these workshops with the